Hey y'all, what's up? I'm looking crazy, I know. I found this picture on Pinterest and I think it would be super easy and super cute, and I'm gonna use a half wig so I don't have to leave all my hair out, so it's like a protective style. So let's get started with that.
This style is super easy to do. I'm gonna start with just getting my hair sectioned off. I'm gonna put a part in the middle and then from ear to ear to create that half look.
I wanna make sure my hair stays moisturized while it's in this style. I'm gonna use this Lux Curl Supreme 4-in-1 Hydrating Cream. I love this stuff. Ever since I've gotten it, I've been using it every week. It actually keeps my hair really moisturized and soft, and even when I take out my protective styles, it still feels very moisturized. So yeah, it's a new favorite of mine. I'm also gonna layer on some of this coconut oil from ORS. And to my scalp, I'm gonna add some of this Donna's Recipe. It's the strengthening hair oil, but I'm gonna add some of this to my scalp. I love bottles that have these little drippers. Then I'm just gonna take like 10 minutes and put my hair into single braids in the back, like little plaits. I just got this new edge control from Baskin Lather on TikTok Shop. Everybody's been talking about it, so since I ran out of mine, I bought some. I actually have used it once already, and my hair was like super hard and stuck in place, but it also looked kind of ashy. But maybe I used too much, so I'm gonna try it again. This style seems super easy. I just need to figure out how many parts I'm gonna do, I guess. Like, I'm gonna find my middle, and then I'm gonna make one that's in the middle. So then this can be kind of my center point. Okay, I'm gonna try to make even parts from this side, and then I'll just match it on the other side. I'm glad these are just flat twists. Hopefully that makes it easier. I'm gonna take that edge control and just put it on the entire perimeter. I'm not using a whole ton of it, just a little. And I'm just gonna twist. Arms are already burning. Now that I'm at the end of the twist, I'm gonna add more of that hydrating cream. Just gonna tighten it at the root and start twisting it around itself to create a Bantu knot. If you want to add a rubber band or something to secure it, you can. That part just gave me HE double hockey sticks. I have moving scalp, so sometimes I just don't know. Like, it looks straight, it don't look straight. I don't know. I was gonna do 4, but I think I'm just gonna do 3 on each side. More of this. I'm gonna time lapse the rest of this, I think. Okay, I'm all done. That was really easy to do, except my arms were just burning really bad. But super easy, super quick style. So now I'm gonna go ahead and add the half wig on the back. But the hair I'm using is from OQ Hair. I've used this in a video before to show like different hairstyles that I do when I wear it. So if you're interested in that, I'll link it somewhere in the video for you to click, and it'll be in the description. But the hair is beautiful. It's very nice. It's easy to wash and detangle, and it really does mimic my texture of hair, so I appreciate that. Also, it has a drawstring in the back, so if you want to do like updo styles and stuff, you're able to. I'm just gonna get my braids that are out in the back and just kind of pin them to my head. I found some wig caps. I'm just gonna put this over the back part of my hair just as extra protection. Ooh. I'm using Pattern Beauty to define the curls. I'm starting with the styling cream. I love the way these products smell. They just smell so fresh, not super fragrancy. I'm taking a little scoop of the Stronghold gel. I'm layering that on top. For hold, add some extra to the bottom. I'm gonna use my bounce curl brush to help make the ends like curl up more. Like that. Okay, that's cute. I'm gonna do the same on this side. Last thing I'm gonna do is swoop these little edges I pulled out. I'm gonna take some of this Lotta Body setting foam and just put it across these twists, as well as just like extra hold. I'm gonna tie it down while I let my hair dry. Get this all tied. This should be good. I'm gonna let this set. And y'all, it's like 2 weeks later. I completely forgot to come back and finish the video, but my hair still looks beautiful. It's been so easy to maintain. The only thing I had to do was retwist these, and I've done that once in the 2 weeks just so that they looked more fresh. But the curls in the back, I haven't done anything to them since that first day that I did them, and they just look good. My hair's just continued to grow, and it's been so easy because I can just take this part off every night and plop it back on in the morning. Love this style. If you also loved it and you love this video, make sure that you subscribe so you can see all the protective styles I do this fall, and I'll catch y'all in the next video. Bye.